I've been in a relationship with my partner for about 2 years now, and everything seemed perfect, at least on the surface. We had the best communication, loved spending time together, and could talk about anything. Or so I thought. A couple of weeks ago, I started noticing some weird behavior. They were acting distant, always on their phone, and had strange excuses when I asked about their day. Honestly, I thought it was just a phase or maybe work stress, but my gut told me something was off. One night, they went out with friends, and I got a random text from their phone. But it wasn't from them. It was from someone I didn't recognize. I didn't respond, but curiosity got the better of me, and I had to know more. I decided to check their phone. What I found left me completely shocked. They had been talking to someone else for months, and not just small talk, full-blown flirting, emotional connections, and planning secret dates. This wasn't just an innocent conversation. My stomach dropped. I confronted them the next day, and at first they denied it, but when I showed them the text, they broke down and admitted to everything. They told me that they had developed feelings for this other person and didn't know how to tell me. They said it was just emotional cheating, but not physical. I didn't know how to feel. On one hand, I could understand the emotional side of things, but on the other, I felt betrayed. We had talked about trust being the foundation of our relationship. They promised they would cut off all contact with this person and do whatever it took to rebuild our relationship. I'm still trying to figure out what to do. It's hard to imagine starting over after everything, but the connection we had isn't something I want to throw away. The hardest part is knowing that, for months, they were lying to my face while I thought everything was fine. Has anyone been in a similar situation? How do you move forward from something like this? Can trust be rebuilt? Or am I just kidding myself?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a twist. Stay tuned to Reddit Tales Times for your daily dose of drama, laughs, and unbelievable stories.